After listening to this meditation, you will receive a call or text instantly. I must warn you that this meditation is extremely powerful. You should only listen to this at most 4 times a day. This meditation is excessively detailed to guarantee instant results. Now let's begin. They text me. They call me. They flood me with messages. They miss me. They think of me. They entertain me. They communicate with me. They video call me. They send me paragraphs of them confessing their love for me. They are calling me right now. They are contacting me right now. They are blowing up my phone right now. They love my voice so much. They are addicted to my voice. They love calling me. They love texting me. They are craving my voice. They are missing me so much. They are craving me. My voice is their favorite thing. They cannot go a second without calling me. They want to talk to me all the time. They are literally obsessed with me. I am on their mind 24/7. They call me 24/7. They can't stay away from me. I am their number one priority. They always make time for me. They are obsessed with my voice. They call me every day. They text me every day. They love my company. They love talking to me. We are always having interesting and never-ending conversations. They are obsessed with calling me. They love talking to me. Me just existing makes them want to talk to me. I am always in contact with them. We both are passionate with talking to each other. They are texting me all the time, 24/7. Type, they are contacting me right now to affirm this meditation. And if you desire even more love, attention, and affection, let me help you by manifesting them for you. I was able to help Rose get a love message from her specific person after months of no contact, and I was able to help Renee get her specific person to love her again after they blocked and ghosted her, and I can help you too. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below, and you can end the separation between you and your special person just like Jean, or get results like any one of my thousands of clients. I hope you have an amazing day full of love, and I will see you in the next meditation.